Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to set up the Mercusys Wi-Fi Range Extender. Whether you're looking to eliminate dead spots in your home or extend your Wi-Fi coverage, this step-by-step guide will have you up and running in no time. Let's get started. The initial step involves carefully unboxing your Mercusys Range Extender. Begin by removing the device and its accessories from the packaging. Take a moment to inspect everything included, such as the power adapter and any setup guides, ensuring you have everything you need for installation. If your router supports WPS, you can use this method for quick setup. Press the WPS button on your router, and then within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your Mercusys extender. The LED should start blinking, indicating it's connecting. Once the light becomes stable, your connection is complete. If your router lacks a WPS button, you can easily set up the extender using a web browser. Simply connect your smartphone, tablet, or laptop to the default Wi-Fi network labeled Mercusys_EXT. This network is broadcasted by the extender for easy configuration access. Open your web browser and enter the default address, mwlogin.net, into the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll be prompted to log in using the default credentials, which can be found on the label of your Mercusys Range Extender or in the user manual. After logging in, a list of available Wi-Fi networks will appear on the setup page. Select your home Wi-Fi network from the list and enter your password to extend the connection. You have the option to rename the extended network or keep the same name as your original Wi-Fi for convenience. Now that the setup is complete, the final step is to place the Mercusys extender in an optimal location. Ideally, it should be placed halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. Make sure the signal LED on the extender is green for the best performance. Lastly, connect your devices, such as smartphones, tablets, or laptops, to the newly extended network. With the extender set up, you'll experience improved and stronger Wi-Fi coverage, especially in those previously hard-to-reach areas of your home or office that had weak signals. If you experience any issues or need assistance, our team of experts is available to help. You can reach them at 323-471-3045 for support and guidance. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. And there you have it. Your Mercusys Range Extender is successfully set up and enhancing your Wi-Fi signal for improved coverage. If this tutorial helped, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more tech tips and guides. Thanks for watching.